In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your iPad into recovery mode. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. The first thing you'll need is a USB-C cable, and you'll need to plug one end into your iPad and the other end into your computer or laptop. Now as long as your computer's turned on, you should see the charging symbol appear on the iPad. Now to go and place the iPad into recovery mode, we need to perform a simple key combination. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then you're going to hold down the power button at the top of this screen, and you're going to continue holding down the lock screen button until the recovery mode appears. So just keep holding down this button, even when you see the slide to power off screen, just continue to hold this button down. Eventually the iPad screen will go black, keep holding the button down, and after about 10 more seconds, this is going to load your iPad in the recovery mode. Now once you're in the recovery mode, you can go and use iTunes to restore or to update your iPad device.